Good afternoon. This is Maureen Taylor. This afternoon, I'd like to show you a simple way to watermark your images before you post them online. That way there, whenever someone sees one of your family photographs, depending on where you've posted it, they'll know that this came from your collection. Think of it as a citing your sources type of precaution. And here's how it goes. Really, really simple. You won't believe how easy it is. So if you go to a website called umarkonline.com, which is umarkonline.com, and you browse the collection of photographs on your desktop or laptop, and I just click this and then select and then click upload, it doesn't actually keep your photograph on its website, but it uploads it so that then you can make the changes that you need to make, which is what I've done in this case. So I have selected a photograph of John Tyler, the 10th President of the United States. And this is not in my collection. This is in the Library of Congress. So I wanted to mark it as being from the Library of Congress. So here's what you do. You can go up here and type in a watermark. So what you're doing with this is you want to keep it simple and recognizable. So in this case, I selected the Library of Congress, but I could easily, if this were my family photograph, put my website address, if you have a family history website, your Facebook page, whatever you want. I can put that in there, and yeah. So here, I put Maureen Taylor, but it is a Library of Congress photograph, so I am going to put Library of Congress. But you saw how easy it was to change that. I can change the font. Do I want Arial? Perhaps that's a good, easy to read typeface. I had picked Verdana. I like Verdana. I like the way it looks. And you can change the size of the font if you want. You can make it smaller. So let's make that smaller. I can make it italics or not italics, or bold or not bold. And I'm going to go with not bold. If I click the slider bar for transparency, it makes it bolder if you go to the left and faint if you take it to the right. So it all depends on how prominent you want that watermark to be. And then the color right now is gray, but you can select what color you want. So in this case, what I'm going to do is delete that. And let's say I want it to be green. So I click on that. A little trouble with this earlier. There we go. So there's the color. Just double click it. It has made it green on the screen. And then where do you want to position the watermark? Do you want to put it in the top left, middle? I like it middle of the top. I like it right in the center. And then all you do is right click on the image and select save it. So I'm going to do that. Save the image as, and I'm going to put it not in the Family Tree magazine, but on my desktop, which is kind of messy. I'm going to call it a John Tyler PNG and save it. And now it is saved. I've downloaded it. This is a free version of a product called Umark, which you can download. You can see the little advertisement in the lower right-hand corner, which will allow you to batch process all of your images. But you saw how easy that was. Maybe we want to change the color. You can always change your mind. It's still on the screen, so you can resave it. You can try different versions and play with it a little bit. But this is all it takes. It is a free online tool, one that you should make a part of your everyday genealogy process if you're posting things online, whether it's a large genealogy database or Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. This is a very simple way to make a watermark to protect your images. Thank you.